Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your email and username on Spotify. So to view both of the email and username, you just need to open Spotify on the browser. So first, just go to this open.spotify.com. So open it on your browser. Okay, this will lead you to the Spotify web. Okay, after it's fully loaded, you just need to go to your profile. So click on your profile at the top right corner and go to account. Okay, so in here you'll easily find your username and also email used on your Spotify account. Like this is the account overview. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. So don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you.